want to start off with a bit of tube like this, probably a bit longer and a slightly different profile. Get a part like this and end up with something like this. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to ask the guys at BLM Group about their laser tube LT Fiber. Mikhail, tell me about this machine.
So this is the BLM Group laser tube cutting machine, is the LT Fiber. So this is an automatical tube cutting machine. The loader is 6.5 meter for this one, for this model. We can have up to 8.5 for this type of machine. This is a fiber laser, is an IPG laser. For this machine is 2 kilowatt, but it can be installed other, depends on customer requirements. 3 kilowatt, 4, 5, up to 10, but for the tube cutting machine is not normal to have a 10 kilowatt because it's too much. But in any case, so for this one, the maximum is 152, the diameter of the tube, and also other type of tubes like square, rectangular, elliptic, flat oval, and etc. that can be fit inside 152.
So any profile really?
Any profile. Also open profiles like flat, L shape, U, C. Also those one can be cutted on this machine.
And out the back you've got the loader, so you can load this up and just let it run.
Yeah, and behind there is an automatic loader where you can put the bundle of your tubes, and then they automatically separated, loaded, measured, loaded on the working line, and then cut it and unloaded.
Now also you mentioned in terms of the Precitech head, it's very small to get into, not so much on this profile, but...
Yeah, there is now we have a new head, which is a comparison of BLM Group with the Precitech. It's a new type of head that is quite narrow, quite small, so is specific for open profiles where you need to go inside, or some specific profiles where also can be very narrow area where you need to go in. So for this type of profiles we have that head, which is also much more faster than was before, for some specific things inside, no?
Excellent, that's great. Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome. You're welcome.